Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Hedera or Hbar, whatever you want to call it. I think we'll call it. I think I'll use both terms interchangeably in this video, but you know what I'm talking about, all right? So we'll be talking about Hedera, about what's going on. We got quite a lot of bullish momentum starting Sunday, and then Monday obviously was a bit of a bearish day throughout the entire markets. But Hbar actually got back up, and I have some ideas of what's going on, and it's a positive thing and a negative thing. So we'll start off with my ideas on why we are bullish like this. And I do want to say, first of all, that I think Hedera is a great project with a bright future, but I don't think these moves have to do with that, all right? But we'll get into that a little bit later, and then I'll tell you about the different possibilities technically. So what's possible from here, and what I think the most likely scenario is. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades. You also gain access to an exclusive chat room of traders, and you gain access to my own trading guide, which I put a lot of hard work in. So if you're interested in that, consider joining via cilinix.com, or the link's down in the description. And there you can, on cilinix.com, you can also find out a little bit more about what it entails and that sort of stuff. But for now, onto Hbar. So what I think is going on is manipulation. And I know a lot of people always say like, oh, well, the entirety of crypto is manipulated, which I agree with, but there are levels to that business. Like if you look at Hbar right now and you take a look at where the volume is coming from, what you'll see is that a lot of the volume is coming from, if I may be able to sort that, from BYBIT and Top Credit, which are usually exchanges where if a lot of volume comes from there, it's manipulated. Now, does that mean that we will go up or down? Neither, all right? It can mean both, but we should know that it's manipulated, so we're probably going to get very volatile and very big moves. So right now, the main thing that Hbar is trying to do is it's trying to break above this level right here. I would say around 6 cents. But technically, I guess it's around like 0.0595 and then 0.06. That's the main area. And at this point of time, if the volume stays like this, I think the most likely scenario is that we'll break above that. So that if we actually get a hour 4 close candlestick on top of that or above that level, first of all, we'll rally all the way up to this level right here between 6.3 and 6.5 cents. But apart from that, like a lot more is possible. We could rally all the way up to 6.8 and 6.9 cents. So that's pretty exciting, I would say. But the other side of the story is that manipulation can also mean that we can just crash down hard. Like this volume distribution was also what we saw with AP3 yesterday, all right? And these things you either know or you don't, but I checked it out yesterday and it was true. And with AP3, what we've seen is just a big rally followed by a big crash. And that was everything, right? And also what was expected. But that was everything. So it can go both ways still. I would say it's like how you should see the price is the following. We're between like 0.0575 and 0.06. That's the area we are in. We will either break above 0.06, after which we will rally heavily, or we will drop down below 0.0575, after which it's probably over and we'll drop back down all the way to like 5.4 and a little bit below there. So that's I think everything you need to know. Now, like I said, one of the main things you should take a look at is that volume. If the volume stays the same like this and all of a sudden you see the volume going up to like 150 million, we're probably going to get that bullish breakout. And at this point of time, that still looks like the most likely scenario. But you should watch it. You should monitor it closely. Like if you're going to trade some manipulated crypto, that's just what you have to do. Otherwise, it's better to not do it at all. So that's my take. That's my analysis for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.